Hey guys, I'm Minnie and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good and I hope you are watching my videos. If not, then please do so and please subscribe, please like, please comment. Otherwise, how will I know how I'm doing? Okay. Today was Rakhi and I just got done with the celebration, so hence the look. And I thought I'll quickly record a video and share my recommendation for top lip balms. Now, lip balm is something which is as good as skincare, right? And we often tend to ignore it because we feel ठीक है, मतलब naturally lip moisturize तो होते ही हैं, right? But no, you need to kind of also take care of your lips, and I'm going to recommend few of the lip balm products that I really like because we are not putting lipsticks every day and we have to hydrate our lips. So these are the lip balms that I really love out there. I have tried multiple of them, and that's my intent with all my videos, that I can share what really works and what is really good, so that you don't have to waste your money in buying everything out there, even though it is tempting and everybody is asking you to buy them. Please don't fall for these things. I have tried so many of them, and hence I'm just going to recommend my top 5 lip balms which are really good. Okay, the first lip balm that I'm going to recommend is by Hyphen. Okay, this is, a lot of people are also calling it Rhode Dupe. Rhode is a brand by Hailey Bieber, Justin Bieber's wife, who has launched now in India as well. But that's expensive. This one, I would not call it a dupe because it is bad to call somebody a dupe like that. I think what I like about Kriti Sanon, brand, which is Hyphen, is she genuinely kind of understands the consumer, and she genuinely knows what is good and what is bad. And I think she's also kind of gone through that middle class girl journey like us. So she makes a product really affordable. That's a good thing. So good quality and affordable and good size is something which is good about the brand Hyphen. Not all products are great. I have tried multiple of them, but this lip balm is really good. Let me quickly show you how this lip balm looks like. Okay, so it is thick, it is quite hydrating, it is quite moisturizing, something which you usually find in international lip balms. So this is how it looks like. If you can see, it's transparent, but it is quite thick, guys. It is quite thick. So you see, it is quite thick. So I usually kind of even apply it on my lipstick sometimes, just to give it more, like glossy look. This is how it looks like. Very good. It has nice taste also to it. So if you don't like flavors at all, then maybe it's not for you. But if you are okay with flavors, it is really nice. Very affordable, really good quality. I'm going to recommend is more for pigmented lips. Somebody who has darker lips or pigmented lips, उनके लिए सही है. This is by Minimalist. This is how the product looks like. Basically, great hydration. It is quite thick. Let me see if I can swatch it for you. So you see, it is quite thick and very hydrating. Okay, and it has vitamin C in it. It has ascorbic acid, which is a form of vitamin C, and that's why it works very well on pigmented lips. So this is my second recommendation. Again, very affordable, very good quality. If you have pigmented lips like mine, please do apply it every night and you will see the difference. The third I'm going to recommend to you is by Ordinary. This is a new launch, guys. They have recently launched this one. The bottle is so cute. I love the bottle. Again, basically it has squalene, it has amino acid, so it is quite moisturizing. Squalene works very well for moisturizing your lips, for hydration, and again it is very thick. So I like lip balms which are like thick, otherwise you don't feel you've put lip balm, if it's so light. So this is the Ordinary one. Again, very hydrating. It's tough to show lip balms like this, guys, but I'm trying. Very hydrating, very good. Again, not too expensive, very affordable, more on affordable side, but love the packaging, and it's really handy, very good quality. The fourth one I'm going to recommend is by Huda Beauty. It is in the glowish range. Again, very good, guys. Like, it looks purple, by the way. Okay, but it is new, like it is natural, it is neutral, it has no color. And it looks very nice on your lips. It gives you that glow, as the name suggests, glowish, and also hydrates your lip beautifully. This is the fourth product that I would recommend from Huda Beauty, their glowish lip balm range. The last product I am going to recommend is basically an international brand. It is called Burt's Bees. Okay, they're really known for their hydrating lip balms and body lotions, etc. You'll find this in Sephora, but it is very good. It really works on making your, it's basically Vaseline for international markets. Okay, very good product. You can try this. It comes in different flavors. You can try the neutral one if you want, but this is another recommendation that I have. The last recommendation I'm going to make is basically a lip oil. It is also hydrating, but it also is like an oil texture. Okay, so it's not very balmy, but it is more of a lip oil. So this is the product. This is by Kay Beauty. This is how the product looks like, and this is basically an oil, if you can see the bottle, and this is an applicator. Let me see if I can swatch it for you. I mean, it's just transparent lip oil, guys. Even if it looks pink to you, it is just transparent. This is how it looks like. Let me see if I can apply, though I already have a lot of stuff on my lips. So it is basically lip oil. This is by Kay Beauty. I would not call it like superbly moisturizing or superbly hydrating, but if you are into lip oil and you want something which is more oil in its formulation and also not too thick and also gives you nice glow and shine, then this one is a good one that you can try. Again, very affordable. So all the recommendations that I made were actually very good, very affordable range, works very well. You can use it before your lipsticks, you can use it at night before sleeping for hydration, you can keep it in your bags and use it whenever you feel your lips are dry, but very good. Okay, you can try them on. Let me know if there are some others that you have tried and you really like them. But lip balm is a very tricky one. Apart from the Vaselines that we have all grown up with, these are the few ones that I really like. Otherwise, I found most lip balms not so moisturizing and not so thick, and international standards of lip balms are very few in India. Okay, last product that I want to kind of talk about, it's not a lip balm, it's basically a lip scrub. Now, what is a lip scrub? You would have heard of face scrubs. I'm not sure if you would have heard of lip scrubs. Now, lip scrub basically removes all the dead skin, all the like chapped lips that you have and the skin coming out when you have really dry lips. This kind of takes that off. So it has very little scrubby particles. Let me show you how this looks like. This is by Forest Essential, guys. It's called cane sugar. So it has very minute sugar particles, if you can see, and you just need to kind of just scrub it on your lips at night and just like do it for a minute and then just wash it off and then apply your lip balm. It will work very well. Even if you can't do it every day, it's cool. You do it like once a week, twice a week if possible, and you will see a difference in your lips. It really stimulates it. It really removes the dead skin and makes it really nice and supple. And then you apply lip balm on it. Your lips are kissable. That's all from my end, guys. I'm very tired. I hope you like it, and if you do, then please do share, please do like, please do subscribe, And please do check out my other content pieces. And if you haven't done that, I'll feel bad. Thank you so much. Good night. I hope you had a great Rakhi. Love you. Bye.